Today we had a all-party meeting under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Bhai Modi. In the all-party meeting, all the political parties which are present in both the houses of the parliament and their leaders were present, and they raised and discussed various issues of national importance and regional importance which they want to raise in the winter session of the parliament. Dear friends, in his concluding remarks, Honorable Prime Minister thanked all the political parties for expressing their views and raising the issues. He also requested all of them that in this session of the parliament, in the winter session of the parliament, there should be fruitful discussion in the national interest and people's interest. He also reminded that in the last session, all parties cooperated across the political board and supported a great economic revolution, that is GST, and made it happen. And Honorable Prime Minister requested all political parties cooperation, both inside the house and outside the house, regarding the crusade the Government of India under his leadership has started against corruption, black money and fake currency, and which are abetting the cross-border terrorism and terrorist activities. And he also requested the political parties that there is a question mark about the elections and the expenditure done in the elections from all the political parties. And therefore, he said that there should be public funding in a very transparent way, and by state funding also. Therefore, he requested all the political parties to come out with a discussion on this for a unanimous view. Of course, the Election Commission is also spearheading this issue of electoral reform, but he said it is the responsibility of all the political parties that we also should brainstorm and discuss this issue, debate this issue, and come out with a solution so that there will be state funding, public funding in a transparent way for elections. Lastly, the Honorable Prime Minister also raised the issue of simultaneous elections for Lok Sabha and Assembly elections. In the recent decades, there have been spate of elections that are being conducted round the year. Therefore, there is need for simultaneous elections, he exhorted. Thank you.
Sir,
thank you.
One question: the opposition tomorrow is planning to, hold a march. They are discussing.
Our Honorable Prime Minister's request is cooperation. As they are cooperated for GST, we are requesting them to cooperate against this crusade, against corruption, black money and fake currency.
The opposition is also demanding that there should be a probe that how come certain leaders of BJP were in the know of the things before Prime Minister declared it.
Shall I tell you, all these things are baseless. The confidentiality was strictly maintained. There was 100% secrecy on this strike against the black money and fake currency. The entire country is appreciating. Thank you, friends.